President Donald Trump is facing a worldwide witch hunt, not from the media or Democrats, but witches. According to Extra Newsfeed, magical groups are casting a binding spell over Trump and all those who abet him, until he and his accomplices are removed from office. Some of the ingredients to perform the spell include an unflattering photo of Trump, the Tower Tarot card, a tiny stub of an orange candle or orange carrot, and multiple items representing the elements of fire, water, earth, and air. Preparation for the binding spell include writing Donald J. Trump on the orange candle stub with a pin or nail, and say a prayer for protection and invoke blessing from your preferred spirit or deity. The actual spell reads in part, quote, "Hear me, O spirits of water, earth, fire, and air, heavenly host, demons of the infernal realms, and spirits of the ancestors. I call upon you to bind Donald J. Trump, so that he may fail utterly, so that he may do no harm to any human soul, nor any tree, animal, rock, stream, or sea. Bind him so that he shall not break our polity, usurp our liberty, or fill our minds with hate, confusion, fear, or despair. And bind too all those who enable his wickedness, and those whose mouths speak his poisonous lies. For the spell to work, it must be cast at the stroke of midnight on every waning crescent moon until he's no longer president. Authors of the spell note that it shall not bring harm to the current president, but only prevent Trump from harming others." For Fox News, I'm Rob Demetrius.